Dry ice cleaning is the ultimate detailing process and a perfect application for our C4S project. It uses no water or chemicals, so it's safe for the environment and for our 993. It allows us to remove stubborn dirt and grime or focus on those delicate areas without fear of causing damage. The negative 109 degree dry ice pellets come out at a volume and pressure that literally freezes and removes unwanted dirt, grease, and rust. The concept with this 993 was to create a Porsche that never existed in the United States. So it was important to us to make this 911 as perfect as possible and back to the state it was when it rolled off the Porsche assembly line, but with our added performance edge, of course.
Today, after doing the dry ice on the components of the vehicle, we will be reassembling back most of the suspension parts on the car. We will be sending them to the body shop. In the meanwhile, that's on the body shop, we will be continuing reassembling the engine components and the transmission as well.
As our concept comes together, we're really excited to reveal its progress and get feedback from the Porsche community.